Kain tayo pandesal, guys. And coffee. Kagigising ko lang. Pero off day natin ngayon. Tapos may client tayo ng 11 a.m. My things ready. Nanonood. Seryoso sa pinapanood. Kape tayo, guys. Naka-prepare na naman ang ating may wagang bag. Kasi tayo magka-client ngayon, 11. Maliligo lang ako. Tapos naka-charge na ang ating light. Off day natin ngayon. Pero, may client tayo sa taas kaya naligo na tayo. Nag-try na ako ng para maganda-ganda naman tayo mag-try. Nakabihis na tayo kasi paakit na tayo sa ating client sa 29th floor. Same building lang din. Kahit muna tayo. Kahit day off natin, work. So guys, tapos na tayo sa ating clients. Kinuha ko na yung parcel ko sa baba. Diba? Buksan natin yan. Okay guys, buksan natin yung parcel.
And sometimes I gotta get out of the way. Because I'll be honest, I didn't. And as a mother, I feel like I should be able to do that. Why? Because you guys need dad to balance that out. So I'm gonna do what I need to do, the way. So that his father can teach him how to be a man. I don't understand where the feedback comes with the way you're doing.
Parang small diffuser siya. And may scent na rin siya. Try natin kung maganda.
Yeah. No.
That's because most women are against
Hindi rin tayo ng ating yung water heater kasi nasira yung water heater.
And because she's able to say that he is a good man, that actually shows you that this is one of the rare. When I say rare occasions that co-parenting is working. You know, I am a person that actually advocates for families to stay together because it's very difficult for a woman to raise a man, as she indicated, and it's very rare that you actually see people working
Drink
together.
cat out of.
And that one is known to influence the child significantly more than the other. I think that, you know, especially boys, they need to see how their mothers are treated. They need to see how a man operates. They need to see his work. They need to see a lot of things. And so she being able to and willing to give up her child, their child, to her father for the thing that's in the best interest of the child, but she still plays a role in the life while at the same time. And this is very important. This is very important. Not disrespecting, not talking negatively about, not talking down on the man, even though they are not together and have not been together for a long time, is actually beneficial for the child. Now, cannot say that it is the best situation because
So, ito yung binili natin.
this is my personal preference, my personal opinion. I think that families need to stay together at least up until the child goes into college and is of age and starts a
So, try
family.
natin kung maganda siya.
However, in this rare instance, of course, there's always, and even in the
Gasan
case,
ko
there's
muna.
always an anomaly. There's always a
It's,
good child.
let's eat,
Won't just
guys.
because
Palapok.
what you're
Then
saying
puto
shows
na
you
nag-iisa.
that child and
Kain.
claim your peers family. I call
So guys, punta naman tayo ng Mega Mall kasi mag-grocery lang tayo ng konti. Balikin tayo kaagad para makatulog tayo. Let's go!